So GeoBloom is our debut collection for the Sewcial Bee Collective, and it features 25 different prints, 5 from each designer.
We each saw our own sense of style sort of crystallize into what I think turned into a beautifully complementary collection of floral-inspired designs.
The warm color palette that is in the collection invites quilters to explore, experiment, and express their unique styles.
We really wanted to bridge the gap between traditional quilters, similar to me, and the very modern quilters.
So GeoBloom is a celebration of modern design and nature's geometry, and the collection blends clean and graphic elements with organic shapes and softer color palettes with pops of bold colors, making it versatile for all types of quilting projects or sewing projects in general.